In the magical atmosphere of a renowned theater, a groundbreaking innovation has been introduced to ensure the comfort of the audience and the quality of performances: the TheaterAir Indoor CO2 Meter. This sophisticated device has become an integral part of the theater's commitment to excellence, meticulously regulating the air quality within its auditoriums. TheaterAir, with over a decade of experience as a leading manufacturer of detection equipment and testing instruments, has crafted the TheaterAir CO2 meter. Their dedication to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is evident, with the added capability of OEM customization to cater to each client's unique requirements. The TheaterAir Indoor CO2 meter is a silent guardian, monitoring carbon dioxide levels during every show. By adjusting ventilation in real time, it maintains an environment that is not only comfortable for the audience, but also conducive to the performer's needs. This careful attention to air quality ensures that each performance is delivered with the highest quality, while the audience enjoys every moment in a safe and comfortable setting. For theater managers and patrons, the TheaterAir Indoor CO2 meter by TheaterAir is more than just a device. It's an investment in the overall experience and well-being of everyone involved in the magic of theater, ready to elevate your theater's atmosphere and enhance the experience for audiences and performers alike. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product, to explore our special promotion. Act now and take the first step towards a theater environment where every performance is a breath of fresh air. Choose TheaterAir's TheaterAir Indoor CO2 meter and breathe easier, knowing you've made the right choice for your theater's health and success.